Theme 4. Geometry. Quadrilateral. As the name suggests, quadri means 4 and lateral means sides. If we observe, all these pictures have shapes which have 4 sides. All these shapes are quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed figure with 4 sides. This figure is closed. As you can see, there are no gaps between sides. Each point where 2 sides touch are called as vertex. You can see there are 4 vertices of a quadrilateral. Let us name these 4 vertices as A, B, C and D. We can name the 4 sides of the quadrilateral as AB, BC, CD and DA. The sides AB and DC are opposite sides as they are placed opposite to each other. A quadrilateral always has 2 pairs of opposite sides. One pair AB and DC and the other pair AD and BC. The vertex A and C are opposite to each other. Quadrilaterals have 2 pairs of opposite vertices. One pair of opposite vertices are vertex A and C. Other pair of opposite vertices are vertex D and B. If we join the opposite vertices A and C, we get the diagonal of the quadrilateral. Similarly, joining D and B, we get another diagonal of the quadrilateral. Thus, a quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. To name a quadrilateral, we choose any vertex of the quadrilateral and list all of the vertices either going clockwise or anti-clockwise. So, this quadrilateral we can name it as either ABCD or ADCB. Remember, naming a quadrilateral like ACDB or CDBA would be wrong. A quadrilateral has 4 angles. We can name these angles as angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. We can also name these angles as angle BAD, angle ADC, angle DCB and angle CBA. The opposite pair of angles are angle A and angle C. The other pair is angle B and angle D. Angle A and angle B are pair of adjacent angles. The other pairs are angle B and angle C, angle C and angle D, and angle D and angle A. Classification of quadrilateral. We know how to classify polygons by their sides and by their angles. For example, we know that the quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. Parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. We can classify special parallelograms by whether they have equal sides or by their angles. Rectangle is a parallelogram with right angles. Rhombus and square are also parallelograms, but they have special type of equal sides. A square is a special type of parallelogram and a special type of rectangle. Sometimes we think that a square is only a square, which is a wrong notion. Squares are also a parallelogram, quadrilateral, rectangle, polygon and rhombuses. Let us understand the relationship of different polygons. Quadrilateral are polygons with 4 sides. Parallelograms are special kind of quadrilateral. They have 2 pair of parallel sides. Rectangles and rhombuses are parallelograms, but a rhombus is not a rectangle and a rectangle is not a rhombus. Squares. Squares can be rectangles and rhombuses.